Hot Ones Diecast family, what's up? We are back. This time, we've got the latest car culture release. That's right, y'all. Timeless Icons in the box. Without further ado, let's crack her open. Don't waste any time on this puppy. Here we go, y'all. These are going to be available on the site tonight, probably before this video is up. So, if you want to get them, you know where. Let's just start on the side. We'll go one by one, do them quick. Koenigsegg Agera R, Agera. Yeah, that works. Purple, yellow, gorgeous. I mean, is there really much more that needs to be said about that? I mean, and the crazy part is, this is the peg warmer in the set. This is the peg warmer. All right, on to the next. Y'all know Hot Ones Diecast Company, we are Lexus people. Mostly out of necessity, because we needed something nice, comfortable, stylish, and cheap. That's right, we drive high mileage Lexuses because they're great cars. So the LFA is definitely a bucket list car for us. I mean, you know, once we make those first couple million anyway. All right. Not to be denied, the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. It is the V-Spec 2 in Bayside Blue. I mean, one of the primary ways you imagine an R34 to be, right? I mean, this thing's just dirty. This whole set's dirty, y'all. All right, here we go. Here we go. How about a little F50 action? Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's sick. I'm not going to say oh my goodness again, but gosh darn it, that's nice. All right, last one, y'all. Told y'all I'd make it quick. Porsche Carrera GT. What's up, Doug DeMuro? It is the wrong color, I know, Doug, but that was looking pretty good on the Carrera GT. If you don't know, because Doug points out a lot of people don't, V10, y'all. Yeah, V10. Not just another Porsche. All right, everybody. That's your Timeless Icons. Which one is your favorite? Put it in the comments for me. I don't know. I mean, everybody's going to pick probably the R34, maybe the F50. I don't know if I can pick a favorite. LFA? I don't know. I love them all. Don't make me pick. Y'all put it in the comments. Let's discuss this, because I can't decide. Oh, and don't let me forget. All right, all that's just going to fall. Stay tuned. We're going to have a case break on the new team transports as well. Ferrari in there, y'all. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, check out the website, thehotOnesDiecast.com. We're loading inventory daily. Santa's coming soon as well. Stay tuned. Thanks.
Let's go.